Hello kids, welcome to your English class. I am Miss Mariel. Please don't forget to have your material near for the videos and for the online classes, such as classwork notebook, homework notebook, Superminds, students and workbook, a maze book, and your pencil case. Very good. Now that you are ready, please write the date in your classwork in case you need to use it. So, in this moment, you can pause the video and write today's date in your classwork. When you finish, you can come back and continue watching the video. Very good. So, let's start. Today's topic is relative pronouns. What are the relative pronouns? The relative pronouns are to give more information about people, objects, and places. Okay, so we are going to check 3 relative pronouns today. The first one is which, that gives us information about objects. The second, who, that gives information about people. And the last is where, and this gives more information about places. Okay, so remember which, objects, who, people, where, places. Very good. So let's start. We have which, objects. Over here we have 2 sentences. This is the car. It runs very fast. Now we are going to create only one sentence. This is a car which runs very fast. Notice in the second sentence we eliminate the word or the pronoun it. This is because remember, it refers to the car. And in this sentence, it's not necessary to repeat it again. Let's check this second example. This is the dog. It is playful. Once again. This is the dog, which is playful. It's not necessary to repeat it because remember, we are talking about the dog. This is the dog, which is playful. Over here we have the same, but now in plural. These are the lollipops. They are delicious. These are the lollipops. They are delicious. And the sentence will be, these are the lollipops which are delicious. We are not repeating they because they refers to the lollipops. And in this sentence, we have the word lollipops. Okay? Very good. Now, it's your turn. Rewrite the sentences using which. The number 1 says, this is our house. It is big and functional. The number 2, this is the computer. It was expensive. And the number 3, these are the shoes. They are comfortable and nice. So please, in your classwork, rewrite the sentences using which. Remember, you can pause the video and when you finish, you come back and we will check together the answers. Very good. So let's see. For the number 1, this is our house. It is big and functional. The answer will be This is our house, which is big and functional. Remember, we eliminate it because in the sentence we have the word house. Okay, let's go with the number 2. In the number 2, we have this is the computer. It was expensive. So the answer is this is the computer which is expensive. Once again, we eliminate the it of the second sentence because we have the word computer. Very good. Let's go for the number 3. These are the shoes. They are comfortable and nice. So this is the answer. These are the shoes which are comfortable and nice. Okay, very good. Check if you have the same answers. If you don't, please correct them. Now, let's start checking sentences using who. Remember, who refers to people. Examples. We have she is my friend. She wants to be a doctor. So we can say, she is my friend who wants to be a doctor. Notice we eliminate the second she because we are talking about my friend. Okay? Let's see another example. They are my cousins. They are from the US. Okay? They are my cousins. They are from the US. So we have they are my cousins who are from the US. We eliminate they. Okay? Because we have my cousins in the sentence. And the last example. Leo is a boy. He plays well baseball. And the sentence will be Leo is a boy who plays well baseball. We eliminate the pronoun he. Very good. Now it's your turn. Rewrite the sentences using who. The number 1 says, he was my teacher. He was strict and responsible. The number 2, Wendy is my cousin. She had a beautiful sweet 16th party. And number 3, I was a kid. I always liked to play hide and seek. Very good. So remember, in this moment, you can pause the video and rewrite the sentences in your classwork. When you finish, you come back and we will check together the answers. Excellent. So for the number 1, he was my teacher. He was strict and responsible. The answer is he was my teacher who was strict and responsible. Okay? Notice we eliminate the second he. Very good. For the number 2, we have Wendy is my cousin. She had a beautiful sweet 16 party. The answer is Wendy is my cousin who had a beautiful sweet 16th party. Okay, once again, notice we eliminate the second she and we replace it using who. And for the number 3, I was a kid. I always liked to play hide and seek. The answer is I was a kid who always liked to play hide and seek. Okay, very good. Check if you have the same answers. If you don't, please correct them. Very good. Now, let's go with the last relative pronoun for today, and is where. Remember, where refers to place. So we have, I visited a fair. You can ride a roller coaster there. Okay, so we are going to say, I visited a fair where you can ride a roller coaster. If you notice, in this case, we eliminate the word there. Why? Because when we say there, we are talking about the fair. Check. I visited a fair. A fair. This is a fair. You can ride a roller coaster there. And we are talking again about the fair. So, it's not necessary to mention the fair 2 times. I visited a fair where you can ride a roller coaster. Okay, let's check another example. This is the city park. I met my friends here. Okay, I met my friends here. When you say here, you are talking about the city park. So, check the answer. This is the city park where I met my friends. Okay, we eliminate here because in the 2 cases we are talking about the park. This is a park. I met my friends here. Very good. Let's go with a last example. My mom went to a store. Everything is cheap there. When we say there, we continue talking about the store. Okay? My mom went to a store. Everything is cheap there. So the sentence will be, my mom went to a store where everything is cheap. You don't repeat there because we are talking about the store. Okay, very good. Now it's your turn. Rewrite the sentences using where. In the number 1 we have, this is the French restaurant. I work every day there. The number 2, this is a school. You can study here. In the number 3, that is the mall. You can find a bank there. Okay? So remember, in this moment, you can pause the video, go to your classwork, and rewrite the sentences. When you finish, you can return, play the video again, and check the answers together. Very good. So let's check the answers. For the number 1, this is the French restaurant. I work every day there. The answer is, that is the French restaurant where I work every day. Okay, remember, there refers to the restaurant, so we don't repeat it. Number 2, this is a school. You can study here. The answer is, this is a school where you can study. Remember, here refers to the school, so we don't repeat it, okay? And number 3, that is the mall. You can find the bank there. The answer will be that is the mall where you can find a bank. Okay, that is the mall where you can find a bank. Okay, very good. Now please check you have the correct answers. If you don't, correct them. Okay, very good, kids. Thank you for your attention. I hope you liked this class. If you have any questions, don't worry. I'll see you later in the online classes. Ciao!